In today's video, I'm going to teach you upload a course outline to Moodle. Let's get your syllabus visible to students in just a few minutes. Start by heading to your course page in Moodle. To make changes, you need to be in editing mode, so look for the Turn Editing On button, usually at the top right of your course page. Click it, and you'll see extra controls appear throughout your course sections. If you don't see the button, make sure you're on the correct course page and that you have permission to edit. Next, decide where you want the outline to appear. This could be in the first topic or the current week, wherever it will be most useful for students. In that section, click Add an activity or resource. A chooser will open with different options. From the list of resources, select File. Then click Add. This creates a simple, reliable container for a single document like your outline. You'll land on the Settings page for the file resource. Start by giving it a clear name, such as Course Outline or Syllabus, so students recognize it right away. You can also add a short description to explain what the document contains. That description can be displayed on the course page if you want to provide extra context. Now scroll to the Content area to upload your outline. If your browser supports it, you can drag and drop your file straight onto the Upload area. That's the quickest route. If you prefer, click the Add button to open the file picker. Choose Upload a file, browse your computer for your document, and then click Upload this file. Moodle accepts common file types like PDF, Word documents, and PowerPoint files. PDF is often the most consistent for students across devices. Before saving, check the appearance settings to control how students will view the file. Automatic lets Moodle choose the best display based on the file type. Embed shows the document directly within the Moodle page, which works especially well for PDFs and keeps students in context. Force download requires students to download the file to their device, which can be helpful if formatting is critical in Word or PowerPoint. When everything looks good, click Save and Return to Course to go back to your main course page, or Save and Display to preview the resource immediately. You should now see your course outline link in the section you chose, ready for students to access. That's it. Your syllabus is uploaded, clearly labeled, and easy to find.